Good morning, students. I am here with chapter 9 of English reader Ferdinand the Bull. Yesterday, in my first video, I explained the whole story in a short form, and today we will start line by line explanation of this chapter. Let's start. Once upon a time in Spain, there was a little bull and his name was Ferdinand. All the other little bulls he lived with would run and jump and butt their heads together, but Ferdinand not. So, what is the meaning of butt? Butt means hit or push. So, there was a little bull whose name was Ferdinand and he lived in Spain. All the other little bulls would run, jump, and butt their heads together, but not Ferdinand. Now, children, here question arises: how Ferdinand was different from the other bull? So, Ferdinand was different from the other bull as the other bulls would run, jump, and butt their heads together. Ferdinand not. Then what did he like to do? Just have a look. He liked to sit just quietly and smell the flower. He had a favorite spot out in the pasture under a cork tree. It was his favorite tree and he would sit in its shade all day and smell the flowers. Now children, what is the meaning of pasture? Pasture means land covered with grass. So, what did he like to do? He liked to sit quietly and smell the flower. And where he liked to sit? He had a favorite spot in the pasture under a cork tree where he would sit and smell the flower. Now children, here question arises: what was his favorite activity? His favorite activity was to sit under a cork tree and smelling the flower. Come to the next paragraph. Sometime his mother, who was a cow, would worry about him. He was afraid he would be lonesome. So his mother was very worried. Whose mother was worried? Ferdinand's mother was worried. And what was his worried? He worried that her son would be lonesome. What is the meaning of lonesome? Lonesome means lonely. So Ferdinand's mother was worried that his son would be lonely. Why don't you run and play with the other bulls and skip and butt your head? She would say. One day, his mother asked him that why don't he run and play with the other bull? Or why don't you butt your head? But Ferdinand would shake his head. I like it better where I can just sit quietly and smell the flower. But Ferdinand still preferred to sit quietly and smell the flower. Now children, here question arises: what did her mother want Ferdinand to do? So his mother wanted to run and play with the little bull and skip and butt his head. Come to the next line. As the year went by, Ferdinand grew and grew until he was very big and strong. After some years, Ferdinand grew young. he became very big and strong. All the other bulls who had grown up with him in the same pasture would fight each other all day. What they wanted most of all was to pick to fight at the bullfights in Madrid. Now all the other bulls who had grown with Ferdinand, they would fight each other, and they wanted to be picked to fight at the bullfight in Madrid. Come to the next line. But not Ferdinand. He still liked to sit quietly under a cork tree and smell the flowers. As the other bull wanted to go at the bullfight in Madrid, Ferdinand still preferred to sit quietly under the cork tree and smell the flower. Come to the next page. Turn your page. Now what happened next? One day 5 men came in very funny hats to pick the biggest, fastest, roughest bull to fight in the bullfight in Madrid. Now children, all the word biggest, fastest and roughest, these are the superlative form of adjectives. So one day 5 men came in the pasture to pick the biggest, fastest and roughest bull for the bullfight. All the other bulls ran around snorting and butting, leaping and jumping, so the men would think that they were very strong and fierce and pick them. Now children, underline the word snorting. What is the meaning of snorting? Just have a look. Snorting means make a sudden sound from the nose. Butting, as you know, hitting and pushing. Leaping, move quickly, or jumping, move or jump quickly with very great force. Fierce means aggressive. So when 5 men came in the pasture, all the other bulls ran around snorting, butting, leaping and jumping, so that the men would think that they were very strong and fierce and pick them for the bullfight. Now Ferdinand knew that they won't pick him, and he didn't care. So he went out to his favorite cork tree to sit down. As Ferdinand didn't want to go for bullfight, didn't like, so he went out to his favorite cork tree to sit down. Now come to the next line. What happened? He didn't look where he was sitting, and instead of sitting on the nice cool grass in the shed, he sat on a bumblebee. Now by mistakenly, Ferdinand sat on a bumblebee. Bumblebee means what, children? Bumblebee means a large hairy bee. So he sat on a bumblebee. Then, as you know, what happened when one can sit on a bumblebee? What happened? Well, if you were a bumblebee and a bull sat on you, what would you do? You would sting him, and that is just what this bee did to Ferdinand. So, when Ferdinand sat on a bumblebee, the bee sting to Ferdinand. Now children, up to here, explanation is completed. Now, I dealt with few questions. Just have a look. What did Ferdinand like to do? Ferdinand liked to sit quietly and smell the flower. How was he different from the other bull? He was different from the other bull as he preferred to sit quietly and smell the flower. Next, whose mother is the writer talking about? The writer is talking about Ferdinand's mother. What was her worry? She was worried. What was her worry? She was worried that her son Ferdinand would be lonesome. What did she want her child to do? She wanted her child to run and play with the other little bull and escape and butt his head. What was his favorite activity? His favorite activity was sitting and smelling the flower. So, 5 questions are completed. What you have to do? Write all these question answer in your rough notebook. In my next video, we will discuss the rest of the story. Thank you.